Actually, and thank you all for joining us. We started off on the warm side this morning for this time of year. Temperatures in the 30s and low 40s, and we're still in the 40s, but we've got overcast gray skies and we've got some areas of rain generally now moving across northwestern Minnesota. That's where we were anticipating most of the rain today, and another little plume of moisture will be moving in. But here's a few of the rainfall reports so far as of this morning. A little shy of 0.6 of an inch in Elbow Lake and Otter Tail, right around a 1/2 inch in Herman, Minnesota. Rothsay 22/100ths. Looking at our afternoon planner for what to expect the rest of today in Fargo, temperatures remaining in the mid 40s. We're going to remain pretty cloudy, hoping for that clearing line to work its way a little further to the east. I think eastern North Dakota going to see a little bit more sun today. Grand Forks temperatures a little bit cooler throughout the afternoon. A few things that we are watching. Coming up, we're watching additional chances for some showers over the course of the weekend, generally across the Northern Valley. And we're going to give you a first alert to some changes next week. We've been talking about that for a couple of days. We'll go over kind of what we know, what we don't know, and bring you the latest in just a few minutes.
All right, Summer, thank you so much.
Cloudy day, but what we're watching for you over the next couple of days. A drier end to the week. We've had some rain showers today, but we're looking at a quiet pattern, at least through Friday, and then another chance of some showers returns Saturday into Sunday, mostly across the northern parts of the region. We'll take a look at that. And we're first alerting you to next week. We are watching a northern plains system that'll be moving in. There are still questions, but we are looking at the possibility of rain and snow chances. Looking at the rain right now, most of it is across northwestern Minnesota, about to exit off to our east, but we are looking at additional moisture into this afternoon. Right now in Fargo, 43 degrees, feeling like 38, 43 in Moorhead as well. Grand Forks currently seeing some of those rain showers, 44 degrees, wind out of the south to southwest at just 5 miles per hour. Temperatures are largely in the low 40s. Not much fluctuation across much of the region, aside from 38 in Bemidji and 49 down in Aberdeen, South Dakota. All right, so let's look at the rest of this afternoon. Additional moisture mostly across northwestern Minnesota, so the rain likely to hang on for a little while longer into this early afternoon, while we will see some gradual clearing from the west to the east. Overnight, cloud cover builds back in to parts of central and eastern North Dakota, and we could see some areas of fog as well tomorrow morning. That lifts into the afternoon hours, and we will see a little bit of decrease in cloud cover, but not a lot before the sun sets tomorrow. Then we're looking pretty quiet through tomorrow night. Temperatures the next few days, similar to where we've been so far this week, 40s to near 50 degrees with a mix of sunshine and clouds. Looking at the weekend, chance for precipitation. This is Saturday night. Most of Saturday looks pretty quiet, but later in the evening, a low pressure system passing by to our north brings some scattered showers, possibly a flake or two. Will depend on how low temperatures go. Now, next week, you may have seen it on social media, a system developing, moving up into the northern plains, but we still have some questions. The timing and the track of that low pressure system. Is it going to be moving into our neck of the woods, or is it going to be staying south? The precipitation type also depends on the track of that low. So right now we see it, but our confidence is too low to highlight any potential impacts. And it's still a week away. Looks to be the middle of next week. Looking at your planning forecast, once again, temperatures remaining pretty consistent over the rest of this work week. Spotty showers